Assalamu alaikum. I'm Nilufar Yasmin. Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are fit and fine. Welcome to my online class. Dear students, today I discuss with you Chapter 5 Agricultural Production. In your last class, I discussed with you Introduction and Economic Importance of Horticultural Crops, Nutrient and Importance in Families, Economic Importance, and Introduction and Economic Importance of Field Crops. Dear students, today I discuss with you red amaranth cultivation method. Please take your agricultural book and open your book page number 64. Okay. Are you ready to read? Let's focus on today's topics. Red amaranth cultivation method. Red amaranth. Do you know what is red amaranth? Red amaranth is a leafy vegetable which is known lal shak. We know it lal shak. Lal shak is local name. Okay. Red amaranth is a popular vegetable. Red amaranth is cultivated more or less almost everywhere in Bangladesh. It contains a lot of vitamins. Soil. Red amaranth is cultivated in almost all types of soil all the year round. However, loamy and sandy loamy soil is best for its cultivation. The production of red amaranth in our country is abundant at the outset of winter. Red amaranth can be cultivated in highland during summer. Variety. There are many varieties of red amaranth. However, to improve, varieties are Altapati and Vari Lal Shak 1. The leaves and stem of Altapati variety are vermilion red, and the leaves and stem of Vari Lal Shak are red. The flower of this amaranth is red and its seed is round in shape. Now I'll discuss with you blend preparation. Dear students, to cultivate red amaranth, we have to prepare land. So, the seed of red amaranth is very small, so the land is prepared loose by plowing 4 to 5 times and laddering. Red amaranth is a short duration crop, so 40 kg of cow dung, 400 gram of urea, 300 gram of TSP and 250 gram of MOP fertilizers have to be applied per decimal land. After 7 days of seed germination, an amount of 400 gram extra urea fertilizer per decimal and will be top dressed and mixed with the soil. Seed sowing. The seeds of red amaranth are sown by broadcasting and in lines. Nourishing is convenient and there is more yield. A 1 meter wide and 15 cm high seed bed is prepared to sow seeds in the rainy season. A 30 cm irrigation drain is to be kept between two seeds beds. There may be an equal distribution of seeds everywhere. If seeds are mixed with sand at the time of sowing, 10 gram of seeds is enough per decimal land. If sown in lines with the help of stick making, 1.5 to 2.0 centimeter, deep line having 20 centimeter distance, then seed should be broadcast in lines and the soil should be leveled. Dear students, now I discuss with you intercultural operation. The nourishing that is taken from seed sowing or seedling planting to crop harvesting is called intercultural operation. No irrigation is necessary if there is sufficient moisture in the soil at the time of sowing. But if there is not sufficient moisture in the soil, irrigation is necessary. When seeds germinate, seedlings should be kept 5 cm apart in the rows and other plants must be lifted as thinning out within a week. The wheat must be cleaned out by weeder and the soil should be mulched after irrigation. Crop harvesting. Now I discussed with you crop harvesting. Red amaranth can be collected after 20 to 25 days of sowing seeds. Firstly, tall plants need to be lifted. Thus, amaranth can be lifted after 2 or 3 days of interval. The plants of red amaranth is lifted with roots. Then they are washed away, tied in bundles and marketed. Crop harvesting should be completed for leafy vegetables before the stem becomes hard. Yield 45 to 55 kg red amaranth is obtained from per decimal of land if improved method of cultivation is applied. Here is a task for you. In your textbook, page number 65. Make a list of agricultural materials needed for cultivating red amaranth in 5 decimal land. Dear students, now I discuss with you pepper cultivation method, lesson 4. Pepper is a spice crop in Bangladesh. Green and red peppers are used for hot taste or pungency. Green chili contains more vitamin C. Nowadays, a kind of pepper is found which is less hot. This is called capsicum. This pepper is used as salad. Now I discuss with you pepper variety. There are many breeds of peppers existing in different areas of Bangladesh such as Bindu, Kalisa, Dhani, Ubda, Chittagong, Kumilla, Bogura, etc. Moreover, an approved variety named Bangla Lanka, which is known Bari pepper 1, is suitable for cultivation round the year. Now I discuss with you soil. Pepper grows well in sandy loam and clayey loamy soils with drainage facilities. However, loamy and silty loamy soils rich in compost are the best for pepper cultivation. Pepper plant cannot tolerate waterlogging condition. Now I discuss with you sowing time. The pepper time for sowing seed is September to October months in the Rabi season. Seeds are sown in seed beds in the Kharif season starting from the first week of December to the first week of February. When a seedling shoots out 4 to 5 leaves, it becomes suitable to be planted in the field. Now I discuss with you seed rate, sowing and plantation distance. 12 to 16 gram seeds are required per decimal land. If seeds are sown directly in the main field, half of the seeds are required if seedlings are developed in seed beds. The seedlings are kept 25 cm apart from row to row, and the plants should be kept 20 cm apart in the Rabi season. In the Kharif season, seedlings are to be planted 45 into 45 cm apart in main field. Seedbed preparation. Seeds are usually sown directly in the main field during Rabi season, and during Kharif, firstly seedlings are raised in seedbed, then they are planted in the main field. The size of seedbed is kept 3 meter into 1 meter length into width, and it is kept 15 cm high. The topsoil of the seed bed is made loose with the mixture of sand, soil and cow dung in a proportion of 1:1:1. Treated seeds are sown 5 cm apart and 2 to 3 cm in depth. Savin dust is sprayed around the seed bed to protect seeds from ants. Seeds germinate within 7 to 10 days. The seedbed is covered with polythene or straw shed after sowing seeds in order to protect them from heavy rain or strong sunlight. The seedbed is to be irrigated slightly either in the morning or in the evening according to necessity. When a seedling grows 4 to 5 leaves, it becomes suitable for transplantation in the field. Now I discuss with you land preparation and fertilizer application. The land is to be prepared well by 4 to 6 times plowing and laddering. 40 kg of cow dung, 1200 gram of TSP and 540 gram of MOP. 440 gram gypsum fertilizers have to be mixed with the soil per decimal length at the time of last plowing. The seedbed is to be made 1 meter in length and wide on the basis of the area of the land to direct sow seeds or to plant seedlings. The seedbed is to be 15 meter high and there should be a 30 centimeter drain between two seedbeds for irrigation and drainage facilities. Intercultural operation. The land must be always kept weed free. Urea and MOP fertilizers will be applied dressing top thrice after 20, 40 and 60 days of seedlings plantation. Every time per decimal of land, 280 gram urea fertilizer mixed with the soil needs to be spread from the base of the seedlings at a distance of 10 to 15 centimeter apart. Irrigation is needed in winter and drought period. Again, irrigation is necessary after every installment of fertilizer application. If so, crop is formed on the soil after a few days of irrigation, that should be broken. Dear students, you can see a task. Make a poster about the seedbed of pepper. So dear students, no more today. Please note down today's homework. Tasks and make 20 MCQ from chapter 5, lesson 3 and 4. Dear students, next class I discuss with you disease and insect pest control of pepper. So, if you have any inquiry, please contact with me. Thank you.